Hi friends, this is Muzammil from Text and Vlogs, and in this video we are going to talk about on how you can add your house or business place or any place that you had visited to the Google Map. So before we get started into the video, please make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you may get quick notification as whenever we upload a new video. So guys, without wasting the time, let's go for it. The first thing is to update Google Map application from the Play Store. After updating this Google Map application, just open it. As you open after updating this application, you can see such type of interference. So you have to convert this map into satellite map. By just clicking these three line options, you will get more options. From these options, you have to select the options of satellite options. When you select these options, now you can see here this map is in the detailed form. Now the next step is to add your house in the Google Map. You have to select this three line and find the options of add a missing place. Now we will get two type of options, that is business place and house place. Now we have to add our house in Google Maps, so we have to select the house place. After selecting house place, you have to find your house from the Google Map. If it is difficult to find, just click on the GPS icon. So a blue dot icon will be formed there, which means you are there. And the next step is to just touch on that blue dot. Then a red location icon will be formed there. Then you have to click on the next button. Then you have to fill the address. Address 1 should be your house name and address 2 should be your place name, and also give the PIN number, and just click on the send button and confirm it. Now our almost step has been finished. Now you will get a mail from Google app. They are saying that your place is in review. It takes couple of hours to approve it. That means to add our house in Google Map. And again you will receive a mail from Google Map after couple of hours. In that mail they are saying that your house has been approved and added to the Google Map. Then you can find it on the Google Map. So guys, if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. I will be seeing next video. Bye bye.